Hello again, friends. We got something to review today. So I just bought me an electric screwdriver. I never had any kind of these little screwdrivers. This one is coming from Banggood, and it's no reclama. I bought it for me with my money. So, like I said so many times, I'm my own Santa Claus. And I never used anything like that. I'm really curious. And this is a Xiaomi AtuMan screwdriver, model E2 electric screwdriver set, 84 grams, charging time 3 hours, electric maximum torque 0.2 Newton, manual torque 3 Newton, 5 volts, 1 amp, 3.7 volts of 650 milliamps hour battery. Okay, let's see what we got in here. Well, it was advertised like being made by Xiaomi, but I can't see anything related. AtuMan.com. Nothing related to the Xiaomi company. All have the writings here, but nothing about Xiaomi, so it's looking like, in fact, it's some other kind of stuff. It's not exactly what they advertised. Well, I really don't care, as long as it's working. So we have a cable, USB-C to USB-B, or A, is this A? Well, overall, it's looking good. The case, it's plastic, but it's okay. These are metallics, you know, the hinges. It's sturdy, feels solid. AtuMan. Again, nothing about Xiaomi. And there we go. Lots of beads. Lots of beads. This is nice. So how is this running? Okay, so this is on 0. Probably first speed, second speed. USB-C charger port. Wow! Well, nothing special, let's say. Feels good. Feels good. Yeah, I like this, you know, buttons for sense, the rotation sense. It's I think it's better than have that rotation sensor, automatic or something. And as long as we are here, let's see if we can dismantle something. Okay, let me take out these two screws here. Obviously I need a Phillips. That's a pretty big one, probably this one. Yeah, that's a magnetic hold. Nice. I got to get used. We are on the first step, let's say. Oh man, nothing. Second speed. And nothing. Oh. Yeah, but the grip, you know, the torque on manual, it's strong. It's pretty strong. So there we go. I'm not very impressed. So I may say lack of power. Maybe I'm asking too much. First speed should be powerful? No way. Does it have a kind of power sense? Can't say it's very fast. This is an amplifier, a radio, TV, something amplifier, nothing special. Okay, let's try this one. Same story. Can't say it's very powerful. My big one is much more powerful, but probably it's for delicate things. Oh, yeah. Good. I'm not sure, maybe it's discharged. And that's the lack of the torque. Oh, man, it's struggling. Let me have some power on. Does it help? Oh, it's not working. It's not working when charging. Okay, as long as I'm here, let's have the charging current. I have my tester, 5 volts, so it's not going higher. 5 volts with 300 milliamps. Let's see. Of course, it's not enough for nada. No. Oh, what's happening? Woo! Look at this guy. It's blocked. What is this? One of the switches is getting blocked or something. Are you kidding me? I feel like a fool already. Okay, we'll see. But this is funny. Let's see if we use manual torque. It's working. Well, I'm not impressed. Okay, in the meantime, let me charge this some more. It's really lack of power. Well, I'm not really familiar with torque and newtons and all the stuffs. And probably I expect too much. Let's have a small something. Computer stuff. Let's see. Oh yeah. Good. Any more screws around here? Let's see about this. Oh yeah. Acceptable. With a little help. Oh, that's fine. With a little help, a little momentum. We'll see in time how it is behaving, if any good. But at least I'm happy for the tips. You know, these are really good. They are looking strong enough. We have Philips, all kind of Philips. We have okay, that's a 3-wing something. What about this? Exotic. That's a kind of cross. I never used anything like this. Interesting. Star. That's Phillips. Another stars. Chisel. Oh, this is interesting. Another 3 points or something. This is a okay, a 5. Yeah, okay. So that's the AtuMan. AtuMan. It was advertised like being a Xiaomi. It's nothing about Xiaomi there. Not at all. But yeah, it is what it is. For the money, it was around $21 brought home. It's acceptable. I'm pretty okay with that. I'm gonna charge it and we'll see in time if it's any good or any use. Anyway, like always, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, push the like button down there, and thanks to my sponsors Radu, Vlad and Chuck. Until the next one, don't forget, have fun, see you, bye bye.